What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We attempted to do a live and we lost connection, so that's why our bowl's already dirty and our jalapenos are already chopped. But we're going to make some jalapeno ramp cornbread, and we're going to do it in the Dutch oven. Going to set it over here on the coals and get it hot. And while that's heating up, we're going to start our mix. We're going to do a 6-to-1 cornmeal to flour, self-rising cornmeal to self-rising flour. It's our self-rising flour. And we're going to add buttermilk. Whoop. A little bit of water. We just want a pourable consistency. And then 1 egg. A spoonful of bacon grease. And that would be just a basic cornmeal mix, or cornbread mix. But we want to make a jalapeno, so we're going to add a couple of chopped jalapenos. You can put as little or as much as you like. And then we got some ramp flakes. Ramps are wild onions that grow in the Appalachian Mountains. That's about the consistency we're looking for. Now we're going to let that set when we get our pan off the coals. A little bit of bacon grease. And guys, we do got a lot of traffic, a lot of people around. This was supposed to be a live event, but we did not have good connection for the internet, so we're having to record and then post it. So there's a lot going on. Now we got our good hot pan, and we're gonna pour in our mix. We want that sizzle, so we got a good brown crust on the bottom. Put our lid back on. Then we're gonna scoop our coals right onto the top. Then about 15 and 20 minutes, we're gonna have us a nice brown pan of cornbread, and we'll show you when it's done. Alright guys, since our live didn't work out too well today, but due to internet connection, I'm going to go around and show y'all some of the artwork here. We're in Wares Valley in East Tennessee. And this is Miss Wanda's pebble art. She also has some baked goods, and she's got some hand carved spoons and ladles, and she's got some succulent planters. Hello, Miss Wanda. Hello.
Hi.
Cat?
Yes.
Cat does pottery.
I do.
We'll show you that here in just a second. This is Cat's pottery. And over here we have Little Bear's Creations. Got cutting boards, hand turned pins, all sorts of unique artwork. Little bakery.
Well, I mean, because nobody buys anything.
Locally made jerky. And the gentleman that runs the lot here, he does all this artwork. Alright guys, I didn't want to build the fire up because getting ready to quit here today, so the top got a little bit uneven browning on it this time. Y'all didn't get to see the first one because the live messed up and I did not realize it. Our first one was nice and dark and brown. This one just didn't get hot enough, but unfortunately we lost our internet service and it just didn't work out. That's the way life goes sometimes. Things don't always turn out the way you plan them, or you make it perfect off a video and then on video it just doesn't brown up as good. But it is done all the way through. There you have it. It is cooked all the way through. It just didn't brown the way I wanted it to on the bottom. Like I said, we didn't want to restoke the fire because the event's about over and we got to clean up. But that's it. Jalapeno and ramp cornbread.